Crystal D'Souza, and you're watching me on Indian Express. My film Chehre is set to release in the theaters on 27th of August. Please go watch it.
Poster just behind you. Your big release is all set. Crystal, how are you feeling?
I am feeling so overwhelmed. This is such an amazing feeling. I feel like I've waited for this day forever now, and it's finally 6 days away. So
Right.
I can't wait anymore.
Amazing. So tell me, Crystal, more about the character that you're playing in Chehre. Give us more insights of the film.
So like the film says, चेहरे हर चेहरा इसमें रिवील होता है. चेहरे के पीछे वाला चेहरा भी रिवील होता है. तो फिलहाल मैं ना ही कुछ रिवील करूँ तो बेटर है, because it's a mystery thriller film, and in a film like that, revealing anything becomes like you're giving away a part of the film.
Tell me, Crystal, of course, from the trailer we see you mostly with Imran, but do you get to share screen space with Big B also?
Yes, I do. I
ये भी
did
नहीं
have
बताई.
seen with him, and oh my god, it was like every 2 minutes I would want somebody to pinch me to tell me this is really happening. I'm really performing in front of the legend.
And how was it working with Imran, of course?
It was very easy breezy, Imran is such a gentleman. He really made me feel at ease, did not make me feel like this is my first film. He was very supportive as a co-actor, and also made me feel very comfortable, for somebody who's never done a film before. I don't think I was nervous a single day on set, all thanks to Imran, because he made sure that, I'm not uneasy at any point, or agar I'm not feeling awkward on set, anything, he would always come and check up on me. Are you okay? Have you eaten? He's a very nice, he's a gentleman.
Also, Crystal, as you spoke that you auditioned for a role. Now on TV, you are a star. People would just die to have you on their show. When you have to leave that all behind and get into the struggle mode again, audition for roles, wait for the callbacks, how is that experience for you?
To be honest, it's very exciting, whenever you do an audition, you're playing a character in itself. तो आप acting तो कर ही रहे हो, आपकी passion तो चल ही रही है. तो अलग-अलग जब हम किरदार के लिए audition करते हैं तो थोड़ा उसके लिए भी prep करना पड़ता है, and I enjoy the process. Yes, of course, I get very hopeful after every audition I do कि मुझे callback आएगा, नहीं आएगा, will I be able to, will they select me, will they like it? But I enjoy the process. Yes, in TV, because we have made a name for ourselves, we know कि अरे हाँ, Crystal है, she can do all this, let's just call her on board. But in a film, it's an all new space. So also it's a lot of self confidence that builds of yours, that मैं एक ऑडिशन टेप से सिलेक्ट हुई हूँ, मतलब उनको मेरा काम अच्छा लगा. तो more than anything else, you get that self reassurance that कर लेते हैं हम काम अच्छा.
And also, Crystal, of course, the makers waited for the theatres to open, but there are few states which still hasn't have cinema halls reopening. Does that become a little disheartening given that it's your big first project?
Of course it does, because Maharashtra, the theatres haven't opened as well, and I wanted to go to watch this film with my friends and family, and that's not going to happen. So yes, it is a little disheartening, but what's happening in the world is also disheartening. So I can't put my problem over a global distress right now. I would have loved to have it in normal times in a theatre release, but since we are in a pandemic and things are a little not too good, I'm glad at least theatres have opened up in a few cities, and we are all vaccinated. Theatres are very safe now to visit, so the experience will be safer at least.
And the big question, Crystal, that everyone has been asking, what's happening in Crystal's personal life? Is she single or taken?
क्रिस्टल्स पर्सनल लाइफ का चेहरा किसी के सामने नहीं आने वाला. No, but honestly, I don't feel like I don't have the mental capacity right now to be in a relationship or be with somebody, because I really want to focus on myself. This is my passion, this is my dream, this is what I love doing. So I'm finally getting a chance to do that and live that dream. So I don't think anything else can take away from that right now. And as and when I find somebody, of course there's nothing to hide. I feel like love is not something that should be hidden. Love is something that should be announced, and go on top of a mountain and scream about how much you love a person. I dislike the fact that you have to hide your partner. And I mean, it's very hypocritical, when you say that you wish everybody on Instagram, you put your entire life, but don't put your partner on Instagram. Then don't be so hypocritical. फिर कुछ मत डालो ना.
We have this fun thing with you. So there are 5 chehres of Crystal. We just want you to react and say something on that. So this is the first picture, if you can see.
Oh my God, I was 14 in this. What do I have to do about it?
You need to react or say the story behind it or something.
Okay, so this is when I was 14 years old. This outfit that you're seeing, ये मैंने खुद बनाया.
Oh.
Yes. So I used to like to stitch stuff up, and my grandmother used to stitch clothes. So मैं उनके साथ बैठ के मैंने ये खुद बनाया, और इसके straps में चोटियां हैं, जो मुझे अभी भी याद है कि मैंने वो बांधी थी चोटियां. So I remember I was like,
wow,
13, not even 13. I was younger actually जब मैंने ये outfit बनाया. फिर ये photo मैंने when I was 14 खींची थी.
Amazing.
I remember having these bangs and small hair.
This
is my no teeth, no problem photo. You have no teeth, you'll have no problem because you won't be able to eat so much.
This is the next photo.
This is what's happening? ये मैंने क्या gossip सुना?
This is a very cute picture of you and Mia.
अरे बहना खून का रिश्ता है हमारा. Oh my God, I cannot tell you. So ये फोटो जब खींची थी हमने ऋषिकेश में हमने शूट किया था, and we had only shot in the sun for like 100 days. For the first episode, we just kept shooting. तो धूप में हम इतने काले और अजीब से टैन हो गए. फिर उसके बाद ही फोटो ली. आज जब मैं और निया, a few days ago, we got back all these old pictures, and we were laughing कि हम ऐसे दिखते थे, और फिर भी हमें कास्ट किया किसी ने. हम ऐसे दिखते थे.
And the last one.
This is my first show, Kahe Na Kahe. You see this one white patch here? So that patch is my actual skin color. But for this show, they used to paint me darker. तो कभी-कभी हाथ लग जाता था ना, तो वो पूरा निकल जाता था. So they used to paint me a really darker shade, and I used to wear black lenses in the show because I have green eyes and I'm a little more fairer than what they were portraying me to be. So it used to be so funny to even look at myself in the mirror, क्योंकि when you see yourself, you feel like ये क्या हो गया, मैं ऐसी क्यों लग रही हूँ. My eyes are a different color, my face is a different color. और फिर best होता था जब like that patch you can see, ऐसे हाथ रख देते थे, तो फिर पूरा यहाँ पे पेंट निकल के आता था.